So hello guys, today we are going to do a GFG question. Yes, reverse level order traversal. It's an easy question, and yes, the platform is being shifted. For this platform, we are using GFG. Okay, because this question particularly is not available on LeetCode. So, okay, doesn't matter what platform we are using. Okay, so we'll first try to read the problem statement, and then we'll go on to the solution. Okay, so let us try to read the problem statement. So what we are given? Given a binary tree of size n, find its reverse level order traversal. That is, the traversal must begin from the last level. Okay. First I need to tell you what is level order traversal. Okay. What is a binary tree first? What is a binary tree? Binary tree is basically that each of the parent node contains less than equal to two child nodes. Less than equal to two child nodes. So any parent will contain less than equal to child nodes. Less than equal to two child nodes. Any parent node would contain less than equal to two child nodes. That is, the parent would contain 0, 1 or 2 child nodes. Okay, 0, 1 or 2 child nodes. So this is my case. This is a binary tree. Okay, this is a binary tree. Suppose this binary tree is extended. If I am said that you have to do the level order traversal of this binary tree, then what is my level order traversal? Level order traversal. You will basically traverse the level one by one. Basically traverse the level one by one. Basically starting from the starting 0th level, and then this level, following left to right order, maintaining the left to right order. Okay, left to right. So first this, then this, then this. So we'll go on to each level and print all the nodes from left to right. From left to right. Suppose we are first on our 0th level. Basically, if we are here, okay, this is my answer array. This is my answer array or answer vector. First, I'll come to this level. I'll print 1. I'll come to this level. Upon going from left to right, 2 and 3 gets added. Going from left to right in the third level or the second level, following which base indexing you use. So it becomes like 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so this is my level order traversal. This is my level order traversal. This is my level order traversal. Okay, so what is your reverse level order traversal? Reverse level order traversal. Suppose you are given with a tree like this. You are given with a tree like this. Okay, so what you have to do is, in the reverse level order traversal, in the reverse level order traversal, I have to start from the last level and go on to the first. Okay, basically I'll start from the last level. The order remains same, left to right remains same, but I'll start from the last level. Basically, I'll print the last level nodes first, then the second last level, then the third last level. Okay, so if I see my printing order, what would be my printing order? Basically, if this is my vector array, last level is this. Okay, so 4, 5, 6 and 7 would be printed in order 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then I come to this level, 2 and 3 would be printed. Then I come to this level, 1 would be printed. Okay, so this would become my answer array. This would become my answer array, or my answer vector, Okay, so this is what you have to return. Basically, instead of starting from the first, you have to start from the last. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay, I'll tell you by a simple example. 1, 2 and 3. Suppose I have this tree. Okay, so what is happening in the level order traversal? First, current node is coming, then the left, then the right, then the left, and then the right. This is what is happening in the level order traversal. Okay, and in the reverse level order, also the same thing is happening. But we are starting from the down, from the last level we are starting. So if I have to get the reverse level order traversal, what I can do is, instead of adding the left node first, instead of adding traversing to the left node first, if I traverse the right node first, add it to my answer, then I traverse the left node, and at the last, after getting the whole vector, I'll simply reverse it, then I'll get my answer. Then I will get my answer. How? I'll just tell you. Okay. See, this is my binary tree 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Following the reverse level order traversal, what should be my answer? 2, 3, and then 1. So this should be my expected answer, 2, 3, and 1. Is it the same? Okay, 3, 2, and 1 it was. I'm following the test case, that's why. Okay. So 3, 2, and 1. This should be my answer. According to the reverse level order traversal. Reverse LOT. Okay, reverse LOT. This should be my answer. How can I achieve this? I know the code for the level order traversal. If you don't know the code for the level order traversal, you can just watch the video. I'll just attach the link with it. Okay. You know the level order traversal code. If you remember, in the level order traversal, what we do is, we first, from the parent node, we first traverse the left node, then we traverse the right node. Because I have to get all the word indexes, all the nodes from left to right, Okay, but what if I say, if I want to get it from left to right, what if I add them in an order, first right and then left, and if I reverse them at last, I'll get my answer. Suppose, see, in this, what I'll do, first I'll go to this level, I'll add it to my vector, I'll add 1 to my vector, and then instead of going to the left, I'll go to the right first. So when I am going to the right, I am currently standing at this node, so yes, I'll print it. Okay, I'll go back, basically I'll go here, come back, okay, then I'll go back, then I'll go to this index, and then I'll print this, go here, come back, okay, and then here. But before this, I'll print this. Now, if you see, in the reverse level order traversal, what I have to do is, I have to get it from left to right. So for getting it left to right in the reverse level order traversal, and I'm following the simple level order traversal, see, in this approach, I'm still following the level order traversal. But if I have to make it suitable for the reverse level order traversal, such that the reverse level order should also contain the nodes from left to right, I have to add the right node first. Because see, if you add the left node first and then try to reverse at the last, okay, what would your answer be like? 1, 2, and 3. And then you will, if you try to reverse it, you will not get the correct answer. This, okay, 1, 3, and 2, and for this case it will be like 2, 3, and 1. So this is not my correct answer. Okay, and this is why happening, because we are still following the level order traversal. Level order traversal is basically from the first level and from left to right. So if I have to get the reverse level order traversal, I have to do the reverse. Instead of traversing the left first, I'll traverse the right first. Okay, so that would automatically make all the nodes such that they are from right to left. They are from right to left instead of left to right. Right to left instead of left to right. Okay, so the nodes would be stored in this case, 2, 3, and 1. Okay. So it would be stored like 1, then 2, then 3. 1, then 2, then 3. And this is because if I just reverse it, I will get all the nodes from left to right. 3, 2, and 1. Because see, the opposite of right to left is left to right, right? So if I have to get left to right following the level order approach, I have to approach it such that I add the right node first, and then the left node. And what you do at last is, basically, you just reverse the array, reverse the vector, reverse the answer vector. Okay. If I take one more test case, 20 and 30. Okay, for what should be my expected answer, I should write my expected answer. It should be like starting from the last basically. It should be like 8, 9, 20, 30, 6, 7 and then 5. This should be my expected answer. This should be my expected answer. Okay, how can I approach this using the level order traversal code only? Okay, I'll try to add nodes such that they are stored in the right to left order instead of the left to right order, because if I store them in right to left order, then I reverse this, the order would become obviously different. Obviously, it would be stored in the reverse way. Okay, what I'll do is I'll start from this node, I'll store them in the index. Okay, I'll store 5, I'll go to the right. Okay, I still go to the right. Okay, no, I'll go to the right. Okay, basically I use a queue in this case. Okay, so I'll add the right node first and then the left node. So 7 and 6 would be stored like this. I'll go to the 7th node first, I'll remove it from my queue. 7 would come here, I'll add its children to it. So 30 and 20 will be added, the same order, right and then left. Okay, 30 and 20 would be added. I come to this node, I delete it from the queue, I add it to my answer, and I add its children also. So it would be like 9 and 8, because see, first the right, then the left. Okay, then I come to 30, then I come to 30, then I come to 30. I'll simply print this 30. Okay, it has no children, nothing to be added. 20, no children, nothing to be added. 9, no children, nothing to be added. 8, no children, nothing to be added. Okay, and if you see, this code is just the opposite. This traversal is just the opposite. See, 8, 8, 9, 9, 20, 20, 30, 30, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 5. And this is because I have to get the answer from left to right and from down to up. So if I use the exact reverse approach from top to down and from right to left and from right to left. Okay, and at last what I'll do is I'll simply reverse it. So when I reverse it, everything would be reversed. So this top to down would be down to top, and this right to left would be left to right. Okay, and this is what is expected. Okay, I try to code it. So it is like q star node q. Okay, what I need is I need a vector answer. Okay, then I should push my root into the queue for the first time, because this is the standard level order traversal code that we are writing. If you haven't watched my video till now, I'll attach the link in the description. You just watch it and then come here. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll simply add my answer, add my nodes value. Simply I'll extract it basically first. So node star temp is equal to q dot front, then I'll pop the current value, I'll push it to my answer index, answer vector basically, q of data I'll push if my basically temp of data. So if my temp of left exists, just push it to the queue. Okay, but before it, yes, you have to do the reverse. So you will push the right first, q dot push temp of right. Okay, and at the last what we'll do is return answer. I'll try to run it. See, yes, why we are getting a discrepancy? Why we are getting the reverse answer? Yes, because we forgot to reverse the string. Okay, we are getting the correct answer but in the reversed order. So I'll just simply reverse it and then I'll try to run. I'll try to submit. Submitted successfully. Okay, So if I just try to explain you the code, we are doing nothing. We are just simply following the level order traversal code, but with a constraint that at each level I will be storing the nodes from right to left, so that when I reverse it, it would be from left to right, and it is already from top to bottom. So when I reverse it, it would be like bottom to top, Okay, see, first right, then left, and at the last reverse it to get the correct answer, because everything would be reversed. Top to bottom would become bottom to top, and right to left would become left to right. Okay, so if I talk about the time complexity is basically nothing. Time complexity is the standard one, O of n, because we are traversing each node exactly once. Space complexity, am I using an extra space? Yes, we are making a queue and then we are traversing, so it would be O of n. Okay, this was the overall solution of the question, reverse level order traversal. This was an easy question. Okay, if you didn't understand it, just try to watch my level order traversal video, then you will surely understand the code very easily. Okay, so I hope you guys like the solution. If you didn't like the solution, if you didn't understand the solution, basically, just ping it out in the comments. And if you have any doubts, you can ping it out in the comments. And if you like the solution, do like, subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.